and welcome. You're with IndiaPostLive.com, your own platform where you can talk about interesting topics either live in our conversations. You can send us your video comments, your posts, your tweets, and we are here as an extension of social media to talk about what you are talking about. Well, 2 decades back, one had to wait for dinner time for that evening bulletin to find out the news, what is happening in the country and around the world. Of course, you had to wait for the next day to read the newspapers to find out more about news from your locality, your city, and other op-ed pages. Well, that of course has changed. We now have 24-hour news channels, so you're constantly updated. But thanks to technology, right now we are at a time and age where we can consume news, we can consume information as soon as it happens. On India Post Live, which is but an extension of social media, we have started a new show from today called Trends Tonic. We are going to quickly, very briefly, bring you an update of what is happening on Twitter, what is happening on social media, what people are talking about. So let's get into it right away. These are the top trending topics, not necessarily in that order, but the top trending topics that are doing the rounds on social media today. Of course, the first is hashtag IPL auction. All of you are aware that Yuvraj Singh, who was discarded, who was left out for the World Cup team, has been lapped up for 16 crore rupees. In fact, Delhi Daredevils has picked up Yuvraj Singh for 16 crore rupees. And definitely on the internet, on the online editions of major newspapers, major channels, and of course social media, it is trending big time. Okay, so there you have it. Dinesh Karthik, of course, has also been picked up. He was sold to Royal Challengers Bangalore for 10.5 crores. Sri Lankan all-rounder Angelo Matthews was bought by Delhi Daredevils for 7.5 crores. So, okay, these are the people who were left out. Luke Ronchi has been left out. Agarkar, Dinda and Ashish Nehra. These people seem to be missing is what is trending on Twitter. Ronchi unsold, time to leave the earth now is what a fan is saying. Okay, Preeti is like, why am I sitting here? Okay, so there are obviously some sarcastic comments. Yuvraj Singh just LOL'd BCCI 16 crore times. Wonderful, what a way to get back. Okay, also the Mumbai Indians, they finished 4th in the last season. They have given up 10 players, including Indian opening bowler Zaheer Khan and ex-Aussie star Michael Hussey. Now, Iqbal Abdullah has switched from Rajasthan Royals to Bangalore. Manvinder Bisla from Kolkata to Bangalore. Parthiv Patel from Bangalore to Mumbai Indians. Unmukt Chand from Rajasthan Royals to Mumbai Indians. R. Vinay Kumar has moved from KKR to Mumbai Indians. Mandeep Singh from Kings 11 Punjab to Bangalore. Okay, so that definitely is trending. The auction is obviously big. On one hand, you have the World Cup, and on the other, you have the auctions. Yuvraj Singh definitely is having the last laugh. Okay, the next topic is, of course, the first major upset of this year's World Cup. The hashtag is West Indies versus Ireland. Now, what has happened is that Paul Stirling and Ed Joyce came agonizingly close to centuries, but they helped Ireland cause that upset. Now, West Indies had scored 304 for 7. Opening Stirling, this is the New Zealand side, opening Stirling scored 92. He shared a 106-run partnership with Joyce, 84, while Niall O'Brien added 79 not out. And they guided Ireland to 307 for 6 in 45.5 overs. This is the third successive World Cup they have beaten a test playing team. They won over Pakistan in 2007 and over England in 2011 and also Bangladesh in 2007. So, of course, this is a huge upset and a huge victory for Ireland over West Indies. And those, as you see on your screens, are the hashtags, are the various comments on Twitter. Next, of course, we have the hashtag called Must Watch MSG. Well, yes, I'm talking about the film which was written and directed and, well, the screenplay and everything else by Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh Insan. Now, why exactly is that film worth watching? His fans will tell you. The reviews say that, it is only for his followers, and for non-believers, it is not a great film. Audiences adore Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh Insan. The characters, who are on the screen, they also seem to worship the Guru the same way as Chennai worships Rajnikant or cricket fans worship Sachin Tendulkar. Now, okay, that's in favor of it, about giving social messages, against drugs, the messages against drugs. It is full of action, drama, comedy. Okay, this is what people who actually loved the film are talking about. However, this seems to be more of a self-propaganda, because what the reviews are saying is MSG is not a film. It's a massive crash course in self-promotion, a reflection of what its helmsman feels and why devotees fall by the millions at his milk-washed feet. Of course, there you have it, that selfie that came, in fact, today has really become a huge hit on Twitter among Twitterati's. And people, of course, are asking, he sings, he dances, he preaches, and he pontificates. Can he make a film? Where apparently he can. The third day itself, the film collected 1.6 crores. So the first weekend, the film released, as you all know, on Friday, the 13th of February. And the first weekend income was nearly 4.4 crore rupees. So that is what is happening. The basic film, it's about each episode. It's like a series of episodes, and each episode chronicles the exploits of the God-man superhero who can make things happen by simply making a wish. Okay, so that is another thing that is trending on social media. And the fourth thing that we thought we must bring you is not trending on Twitter that much. It's not the top trend, but it is definitely one of the top trends on Facebook. And the reason we are bringing this to you is because we also loved it at India Post Live. We found this particular story to be a huge symbol of women's empowerment. I think you know what I'm talking about. Cindy Crawford's picture, Cindy Crawford's unaltered photograph, which is circulating on the internet. It's trending big time on the internet, and it has sparked a discussion about beauty and how women are portrayed in the media. Now, the photo was a leaked image from a shoot of December 2013. The magazine that Marie Claire, it talks about this in a blog post. It says the photo defies expectations. You can see the photo on your screens right now. It is real, it is honest, it is gorgeous. No matter where the photo came from, it's an enlightenment. We've always known Crawford was beautiful, but seeing her like this makes us love her more. All right, that is what people are talking about. The blog post on marieclaire.com, and this body here, I love it, flawless. And it's, like I said, it's real. And remember, Cindy Crawford is 48 years old. So for her to actually have that picture clicked, which is unaltered and unedited, takes a lot of guts, a lot of courage, and of course tells a lot about what we perceive as perfection when it comes to a woman's body. The untouched photo is inspiring women everywhere. People are talking about that on Twitter. She is still more stunning than most of us combined. Of course she is. Just how beautiful she looks in that picture that all of you saw a while back. All right. So these were the four most interesting and most the top trending topics, of course, on the Indian social media. And we at India Post Live thought we must apprise you of it. If there's anything else that you want to talk about, if you also want to start a hashtag of your own, come to India Post Live. Let's talk about it and let's create that hashtag. Thank you so much for watching. Keep sending us your tweets, your posts, and your messages. Bye-bye.